Hey guys, today we're going to be attempting to fix our climate controls on our 2003 Silverado. So if I spin this, you can see it's going all over the place. This one's trying to work. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to run to the store. I'm going to get an electronic cleaner. We're going to pull these caps off. We're going to spray inside, put them back on, and hopefully that fixes it. Okay, I just got back from the store. I picked up some WD-40 contact cleaner. We're going to grab each individual knob, give light pressure, and pull straight towards you. It looks like one of the metal inserts stayed with that. That's fine. You just pull that straight off and stick it back into the plastic cap where it came from. Grab the other one. We're going to take our WD-40. We're going to spray in here. I have a rag. I'm going to work this back and forth. I might have to spray again. Just trying to work it into those, I believe they're resistors back there. That already seems to be doing better. I'm going to give it one more shot. Seems to be working. So cool. I'm gonna go ahead and put these back on. I'll have to stick that insert back in, but I can do it one-handed. There we go. So I stuck that insert back in there. That seems to be working. So there you go, guys. That's how you repair your climate control if it's giving you a hard time and it's skipping your temperatures. So hopefully I helped some of you guys out. Thanks for watching.